Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Glorivita TV. Please, if today is your first time coming across Glorivita TV, please subscribe and press your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Today's video is amazing video that will put smile on your face. Yeah, this video I'm going to make is how you can get your things for free. Like we that live in Europe, we know that the things that like the things when they buy for Europe here is expensive. It is expensive. How you fit get your chair free, your dining table free, all those things. Like we now change our chair last year, but we are still going to change this year. If you want to change, I will still take you along. So I want to share with you how you can get your free chair, free table, whatever you need, like dining, different things. Before I will start making this video, if I will start showing you how to get all those free things, I want to first apologize. Yeah, let me apologize to you because there are many people that receive my notification in that video that I barb my husband's hair. That's the video, just you will just click on it, it will say removed by the uploader. Yeah, my husband is the head of the family. He can remove my video if you want. You can say this video is not pleading to me, and like we make the video together. This as in that are the first video when my husband don't ever make. Like me, when they talk like this now, and you don't say when I start today. This month now, 30 of this month, I will be making 9 months in YouTube, so I'm not ashamed of camera. But when you are the first time coming close to camera that you have not sit in the front of camera, you will be shy. Yeah, that tension will just come up. You will not understand what I'm saying until you try it, because it's camera. That is it. He said that he make mistake when you're saying something, but I will try because there are many people that want to watch that video. They are writing me on WhatsApp, Facebook, say, Glory, you remove the video. I'm going to re-edit it. I'm sorry, I have to plead with you people before I start making another video. Yes, today is on Monday now. Yesterday it's on Sunday, so we don't have chance, and so Saturday I upload the video. Today is on Monday now, so if I even stay 3 days I've not speak to you people, I feel somehow. So I have to plead with you people. The video will come back, or there are many people that receive the notification. I'm not the one that deleted the video. I have to re-edit the video. I will put it. It's my husband. Is as in man is the head of the family. He can decide this video. There is something wrong with it. He watch my videos. When he watch something, say this. There's something wrong with this. He can decide to take it off, because after all, my husband did not. We are from Delta. It's man that is the head of the family. Man can decide for the woman. I don't know for you, for your side. That is it, normal. Man can decide for woman. Man is the head of the family. He did not just see me from Germany here, or from Italy, from nowhere. He bring me from all the way from Nigeria. Pay for me 500,000 to come all the way from Nigeria down to this Germany. So he not just see me for road pick like that. If he decide to say take the video down, something wrong with it, but I will put the video back. So I have to plead. Let's start making our today video. Thank you all as you bear with me. May God bless you. That's why I decided to give you this sweet and lovely video. Let's get started, my lovely people. You all know the Facebook. You all know Facebook. This amazing opportunity. You will get many things from here. You don't need to look for expensive things. These are, you can get cheap things there, free things there, anything you want. Facebook app. So I'm going to click it now. Then you see that something that like house from this up like this. I'll just click it. So these are the things. Let's search for free things now. This is how to get it. You will also go to Coco. So let's search for it now. You can see this chair. This chair is free, and I will still be putting some in up of the screen when I'm editing this video. You see, free. It's free. This one too is free. Van hanging. You see, sofa free. Germany, we call it sofa, free. So I'll be showing you not only chair, different things. In Facebook here, there are some that I can short keep because then they rush them. Like if free thing come like this now, how they take the drum like this as you see free thing. Then you go come write the person. Is this still available? First greet the person. Not just write say, is this thing still available? Greet the person, say good afternoon, man or woman. Good afternoon like that. You say this thing still available, you will tell you say yes, that anything. After they see they get some telephone there. Table, any different things you need, lights, just different things you need there. Washing machine. In this Facebook marketplace, they see money own, free own, but they are cheap, money affordable own. That's in cheap things in this Facebook marketplace, and that's a Google, eBay. When you click Google, then you see your eBay. Then when you get to the eBay, you see those free things. Then those free things, there are side that they sell. There are side that they, when you say Zoo Vision in Germany here now, we call free things Zoo Vision, chairs, sofa, table, all those things. We call them, they have the names, we call in Germany names. So I'll be sharing different things, then we will have to click to Google now to see what is there. You see this one again now, free. Let this camera show it to us. Don't be like say glory. You know, say free chair. Fine leathers, then whether they see for there, like how they take the ones I be they talk before I cut word go to the other side. Like if you need those free things like this, now when you chat with them, you greet them first, is this the available? They will answer you, say preserve. That preserve means that thing they preserve it. Either they will tell you say na next Sunday you will come and pick this thing up next Sunday. They preserve it for now. They don't want to give that thing away from now. Then they will give you so time, try and pick it up in so time that you live in Bitikan. You live in Bitikan, the thing when you walk carry day for load this bulk or a day for my ham. Yeah, they will give you time. They will give you time when you will take on pick and up. So may we go to Google so that we will see what's at the top there. Yes, it's also free things full. Show you this beautiful chair first before I can move to Google. You see it, you cannot see now free. See, free. You show very well. You see the beautiful chair. Our own self now, leather, very fine. Here will carry on. I'm not here to fake myself. So see, like this. You go click on like this. You see, wow, very beautiful. See, sound like this. There are people that don't know opportunity about this thing. So I would like, let me see, say something to tell you many things you don't know, even many things about YouTube sometimes, because there are some small YouTubers. I'm a small YouTuber, but I'm bigger than some people, okay? Thank God for that. Many people are bigger than me. But there are still some things that people don't know that I also need to share to them in YouTube. So I will also tell you first before I can start making those videos, because I'm not the viewers. Here we are in Google. Click it, this Google app. I'm going to click the Google app. Yeah, click the Google. We all know Google. I click it. Yeah, up of this Google like this. Sorry, I don't made the video long like this. You see this place where they write, eBay. Phone. May I type the eBay comment. See, load this book, eBay, Zoo. Zoo now be Fritz Invasion. That is the meaning in Germany here where we live. We need to rush the video now because it's not the long. The people for still gain this place. This one is the eBay Bitikan. Yeah, Bissingen Zoo where we live before. If we still go there, go carry something. Click it now. I click that up of that place, or I can go back. Just when you type it, you click up of the eBay Zoo. Where I know this book, the place we are searching now. Anyone you want to search, I still click on top of it. So yeah, so look at the free things there. We school before we this time your cooking gas. Number one, many things there. See this fridge, so that's still free for this eBay. Anything you need, even children clothes, they see the one is the cheap. So life they easy for this Europe side. You yes, they not tell you me self as I say no. They not tell you not gonna know. Now one of my Oyibo neighbor for every day for when we are living in Bitika, and then I saw the chair. I see chair when she bring that time. I can't ask her. She can't tell me. This fine big bed, a wide bed where you see if you lie down, you go. Yeah, she sharp. You go spread like another thing, like poof the bed. Everything there. You see this now. This for washing plates. Like here, table, everything. Table, what they call them for Germany now, dish. White bag now, chule t-shirt. Yeah. Yeah. Plate for plate. I must have this speak German like that though. See this fine shoe. Not say as fine. Free. Zoo. Because you know they English map now this country they as if for the eBay side. If na my own I go press and go English side. I know they press my graph. Christmas don't finish, but this one a Christmas tree. Yeah, my people, different things they there. As you can see, you see the lines of the things. All of them are free. You see I'm saying a zoo now the right side. A line up so now for you to scroll. Different many fridge there, washing machine, everything. But if I start with the talk, I sure say this video go overlap. You know, go heavy like that. Thank you all very much for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Try it, you benefit it. Because I'm not sure on this, that's why me they go here because not get what I already get. Already get table when I buy for there. If you buy cheap things for there, like chair. If you buy cheap things, we will carry new chair for them and new dining table. So we don't see chair but the dining table now the way so that we go carry them together. Because no one spend a lot of money. See, we won't carry chair and dining table together. One go be 40 euro because where you want for carry not too far. Maybe they'll charge you that 40 euro. If you carry only the table 40 euro, the chair 40 euro, not good. So you will wait for the two of them. If not the dining table and the chair you will carry together. That 40 euro, two of them because that'll be the size of thing when you carry, they want to charge you. Really wait till they want to charge you now. The distance and the fuel. And I carry waiting make you could yeah. Like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you all for watching till I come your way next time. Bye bye. Love you all.